Hey guys, if you are looking for best masticating juicer, you chose right video. Today, we're going to review top 5 best masticating juicer on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Hurom HB Slow Juicer. Not only is the Hurom HB Slow Juicer attractive and compact, it's also incredibly effective at juicing all sorts of produce. The juicer comes in a variety of pretty colors, and it's small enough to keep on your kitchen counter for daily use. It is also our test kitchen's favorite juicer. In terms of its performance, this machine is able to chew up all sorts of fruits and vegetables, from juicy pineapple to leafy kale, with no problem. Its auger grinds up ingredients easily with little to no feeding necessary, and it slowly extracts the nutritious juices and pushes pulp out into the included collection bin. The appliance is surprisingly quiet during operation, and its chute is big enough to accommodate a quartered apple piece. This machine comes with both a fine and coarse strainer, as well as several brushes to aid in cleanup. It does need to be hand-washed, which can be a bit tedious, but its ease of use and reliable performance are worth the hassle, if you ask us. Now our second choice is Omega Masticating Juicer. If you're willing to splurge on a versatile horizontal juicer, the Omega Juicer is an unbeatable option. It features a 3-stage auger that extracts as much juice as possible from ingredients, and the end cap has different settings that you can adjust based on what you're processing. Other juicers can be really loud, but this Omega Juicer I run while my family is sleeping, and it does not disturb them. The components of this juicer are top-rack dishwasher safe, saving you from having to hand-wash them. Additionally, this appliance comes with several extrusion nozzles, so you can even use it to make different types of pasta. Now number 3, TRIBEST Greenstar Elite Masticating Juicers. If you have a larger budget, you may prefer the TRIBEST GSE 5010 Greenstar Elite Masticating Juicer. This high-end model is designed to work well with hard vegetables and greens and extract more minerals from your produce. This model has a cold-press design that uses magnetic and bioceramic technology. The 200-watt motor attaches to stainless steel twin gears that turn at 110 RPM. This juicer comes with homogenizing accessories, automatic pulp ejection, and a good reverse function. Conveniently, you can also adjust the pressure while juicing, and you have a choice of coarse or fine pulp screens. The package also includes a glass pitcher, wooden and plastic plungers, and a cleaning brush. This model is quite expensive and weighs a very heavy 17.2 pounds. We found its appearance fairly clunky, and the filter screens can be particularly difficult to clean. TRIBEST offers a lengthy 15-year warranty if you are using this juicer at home, and a 3-year warranty for commercial applications. At number 4, Omega NC900 HDC Masticating. The Omega NC900 HDC Juicer Extractor is another pricey option, offering adjustable settings and a good motor. It's also not as durable and fairly difficult to clean. This heavy 17.45-pound machine has a 150-watt motor that rotates at a slow 80 RPM, making for good extraction. It has an adjustable end cap with 5 pressure settings and automatic pulp ejection, plus multiple pulp filter screens. The package includes a range of black plastic accessories, and the fairly attractive body has a shiny chrome finish. In testing, we didn't find this model to work as well with trickier produce, though the pulp level can be adjusted. All of the options were fairly pulp heavy. It's also difficult to clean and has several less durable plastic components. Omega offers a lengthy 15-year warranty. At number 5, AOBOSI Slow Masticating Juicers. AOBOSI's AMR5 120 Slow Masticating Juicer Extractor is a somewhat expensive option that's easy to use and has a good motor. Unfortunately, it won't fully extract your produce and doesn't feel very durable. This model weighs a reasonable 11.1 pounds and has a quiet 150-watt motor that rotates at a slow 80 RPM and produces less than 60 decibels of noise. With a 7-spiral masticator, dishwasher-safe Triton removable parts, a safety lock, and a reverse function, this machine has plenty of useful features. The package includes a sturdy stainless steel filter and a cleaning brush. In testing, we found that the AMR5 120 left fairly wet pulp, meaning that it didn't fully extract the produce. It's quiet and easy to use but doesn't feel as durable as its higher price. AOBOSI offers a 1-month free trial and a 2-year warranty. All the product we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.